guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn subtraction in Excel. Subtraction in Excel is very simple. We use minus sign, which is that symbol, to subtract one value from another. For example, if we want to minus, we would always start with equal sign. There's one basic thing and the most important thing you need to remember. Whenever you're going to put any formula, you have to start with equal. Let's press equal and enter the number like 10 minus 5 or 10 minus 2. Then we press enter. It will show you the result. But in an Excel, we can minus different cells. Like if I want to minus D6 with D7, I'm going to enter the symbol equal, select the one cell, symbol, then other cell. Enter. It will show you the result. But there's one very interesting thing in Excel, which when you change the value, it automatically updates the result. Let's just say we will changing 10 from 20. It will automatically the result like that. The commonly use of this feature is calculating expense, finding profit or loss, tracking inventory, comparing data values. In summary, subtraction in Excel is done using minus sign and formula always start with equal symbol. I hope you are able to understand it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.